In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the finals not launching on Windows 10 and 11. So first thing you'll do is go to Steam here, and then you'll go under Steam settings here. So go here to downloads, and then make sure you have the region set to a correct region, to your region. Once you're done with this, you want to go to where it says clear cache and click on clear cache. Then go to storage, and then under here you want to click repair library. So once you're done with this, you can close this down and then find the finals game. So I'm gonna do this for this game. You can follow the same steps for the finals. So you will right click on the game, then go to properties, and then make sure under launch options there's nothing written here, and then go to installed files and select verify game files. So this will take a few moments, so just once it's done, you can just go to where it says browse here. So here you will find the game.exe folder. So right click on it, and then properties, and then compatibility, and then you will basically select these two options right here. Then click apply, and then OK. Then you can close this down, and then close this down. Try to relaunch the game and see if it works. If it doesn't, then go to settings here, go to graphics settings, enable these two options. So then here you'll find the game here. So find the game and then make sure you set it to high performance. So if you don't see the finals here, you'll just have to add it manually. Click add desktop app and then select the exe folder for the game, and then you should be able to see it, and you'll simply select high performance. So once you're done with this, you can just close this down, and then you want to go to NVIDIA. So if you have NVIDIA app, this app allows you to update your drivers, your graphics cards drivers. So if you go to drivers here, you can download the latest version for the graphics cards. So maybe you have something else like AMD or other graphics cards. Regardless what you have, you can go to device manager. So if you go to device manager here, you'll be able to update your graphics cards. So under display adapters, you can just update it by right clicking and then selecting update driver. And here you'll just select the driver manually and then click next to update. So once updating, try to restart your computer, because the graphics card needs to restart your computer for them to apply. Now, if you're still having the same issues, then what you can try is uninstalling the game. So you can basically right click on the game, and then under manage, you'll click uninstall, and then you'll try reinstalling it and see if it works. So you can also uninstall it from the control panel. Under programs, here you'll just find the game and then uninstall it, and then after that you'll just reinstall it again, and hopefully it should work.